Passive income, how to make passive income online, how to make money in your sleep. This is like the holy grail of YouTube content. Everyone is obsessed with passive income. Everyone wants to know how they can make money online in their sleep, how they can stop trading time for money. And the thing is, it is something that can be done, but it ain't gonna happen overnight. Sorry, doesn't work that way. And it's not for lazy people. So I'm gonna tell you the truth about passive income. I'm gonna tell you three simple ways that you can start to understand and implement passive income for yourself, because you really can make money in your sleep. You're just not gonna do it overnight. And so I want you, when you hear the words passive income, to in your brain replace passive income with automated income. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna build a system, we're gonna build an automation, we're gonna build the exact type of machine, system, robot that's coming for all of your jobs. So let's get into the video. Hey everybody, this is Roberto Blake, helping you create something awesome today. Welcome back to the channel. For the new people here, first of all, welcome. My name is Roberto Blake. I'm a creative entrepreneur and public speaker, and I love topics like passive income, making money online, because this YouTube channel is here to help you build your brand and business online. So if you're into that, make sure that you're checking out the other content on the channel, like and subscribe. So there are three ways that I make passive income that are not investing and real estate. Now, I do have investments. I actually am super into my stock portfolio, and I use a bunch of different tools and apps for that I can talk about later. But I want to focus on three ways to make passive income that don't require you to have upfront money to invest, because real estate and stocks would require you to already have the luxury of investing money that many of you probably don't even have. There's a real strong chance that you don't have the money to be invested in stocks and real estate right now, because only about roughly the top 20% of Americans, there was like this article, and 20% of Americans own 90% of the stocks right now. That is insane and absurd. So most of you are like completely excluded from being able to invest, or at least you believe that you are. I'll do another video on that. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because whenever I talk to anyone about passive income, there's Roberto, that's not really passive. So that's what we're gonna call it, automated income. And we're not talking about investment and real estate. If you're a millennial, I'm an older millennial, there is a 40-something% chance, like only 40% of millennials, actually, like this is really cool, 40% or so of millennials are homeowners. So that excludes more than half of us for real estate right then and there. And then if you happen to be Black or Latino, it's down to 15% of millennials that are Black or Latino are homeowners. So there is that. So this is more like passive income for normal people, asterisks that are also kind of smart. The three ways that normal people can make passive income are, obviously, you can do videos on YouTube, and if you qualify, you get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, and you make non-offensive content, you too can start earning YouTube Adsense revenue. So if you're into that, I have a ton of videos that help you grow a YouTube channel, build it up from scratch, everything you need to know right here on the channel for free. So you can check those out. YouTube AdSense is one way to make passive income. I'll get into it further in the video. Let's move on to number two, affiliate marketing. A lot of skepticism. A lot of people have interesting things to say about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically commission sales, guys. Affiliate marketing means you sell somebody else's product on their behalf, and you get a percentage of that. Most common way for most people is Amazon affiliate marketing. I used to make about $1,500 a month on Amazon affiliate marketing. I stopped doing tech-related videos, so I don't do that as much. I actually have a completely new channel that I'm building around camera gear and lighting and podcasting. It's Creator Gear Guide. If you guys want, you can definitely help me out by subscribing to that channel. Content is coming soon, but it definitely will be a little bit easier to monetize that channel if I have 1,000 subscribers. So that helps me out. But that channel is going to take advantage of Amazon affiliate marketing, and I'm going to be able to sell camera gear like this. Now, the good news about that is I get something for it, but it's only 2 to 8% with Amazon affiliate marketing. There are much more robust affiliate programs out there that aren't going to require me to sell expensive camera gear and laptops. And so the thing that I would recommend for a lot of you is software as a service based affiliate marketing. So if there's a software that you use right now, a website that you use right now, then you can recommend that to people, and they probably have an affiliate program, and maybe you can get 30 or 50% of whatever that software or service is worth. And again, the best example of this is to use myself here and to show you some real numbers here. There is a software that I recommend for YouTube content creators called TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is a browser extension that helps YouTube content creators with their keyword research. It helps them do bulk find replace on links in their videos, like their affiliate links, for example. And it's very cool, and I've been using it for a number of years. I've been using it for like 5 years. I've been an affiliate of theirs for 4 years. And in 4 years as a TubeBuddy affiliate, I've made about $193,000. And right now I average about, $5,000 to $6,000 a month in passive income. The good news about this is that the lifetime of those accounts I get commissions on, which means that I already am getting paid for all the accounts that I've already sold. As long as people like the service and they continue to use it, I continue to get revenue from those accounts. Normal affiliates get 30%, I'm a super affiliate at 50%. So that means that as long as people are using TubeBuddy and I'm an affiliate, that I'm going to have $5,000 a month come in pretty regularly, whether I get up and hustle and make YouTube videos or not, because people have already bought the accounts. And the other good news is because of my YouTube channel and search-friendly content, there are videos and tutorials I've done about TubeBuddy that will always bring in new clicks, new traffic, new people that convert to TubeBuddy, and will ultimately result in me getting more affiliate revenue. So over a period of time, if people leave, there'll be new people to replace them, and I'll continue to get an income from this. This is one of many recurring affiliate models that I take advantage of. By the way, if you're a YouTube content creator, the good news is also that you can sign up and you can get TubeBuddy for yourself to help grow your YouTube channel. So you can get the free version with my affiliate link, or you can go ahead and get the paid version and use my discount code Roberto's Buddy and get 20% off. You see what I did just now? That's a primary example of what I'm talking about. Upfront value, and for no extra cost, people get value, I also benefit. And in this case, I combine YouTube and affiliate marketing. And again, there are other affiliate programs out there. Maybe you're not a YouTuber, so you can't sell TubeBuddy. There are email marketing programs like ConvertKit. Or if you want to do the third thing, which is sell digital products. Well, selling digital products is a great way in order to make money online passively, stop trading some of your time for money. You have to put in upfront work, but the system largely takes care of itself. It's a vending machine transaction. People put money in, they get value and results out. And you as a human don't have to be part of that process. That's why I call this automated income. So the way that I make automated income with digital products is I sell something called the YouTube Starter Kit, which is a thumbnail template system for YouTubers. I also sell 1 or 2 courses. We have one course out and another one that's about to release. So, one of my main courses right now is called the Formula for Awesome Videos course. And this is for people who want to make online videos. There are 2 big problems. They either, don't have great on-camera presence and performance. They're always nervous. They can't get past that to just hit record. And then they also want to improve the visual and audio quality and all the aspects that make their videos look and sound good. So we put together an entry-level course for $149 that helps them address those key problems, what to buy and what they need to actually make quality videos, and giving them a process that they can use. And so I'll link that down below if you're interested in it. You don't have to buy it. There's no pressure there, but it is there for anybody who wants it. But yeah, by selling digital products, whether it's an online course, whether it's a template system. Look, for those of you who don't do online courses, Peter McKinnon is making a lot of good money by selling Lightroom presets and also by selling sound effects. And he's using something called Sellfy to do it. I'm gonna link to that below for you guys. Sellfy and Gumroad are places where you can put up your own digital products like sound effects or Lightroom presets, Premiere Pro, or After Effects presets for video editors. These are things that you can sell for like $20 and $35 that people will happily buy. You just need to push traffic to them. You can do that with ads, or you can do it with content. So again, you can stack these things and make passive income on all of them, which is what I do. when you use your content as a traffic source, you're making money off the ad revenue of the content. You can link out to affiliate links, but you can also promote your own products and services as well. And all these things can work for you. And if the content is evergreen, if you're not chasing trending topics, I know that that's the sexier thing to do. If you do evergreen how-to content, then it would help sell some of these products and services. And so you can get affiliate commissions from the people who care about those things if they click on the links, or people who want to support you directly and want the value that you offer, they can click on those links. And it could be videos you made 6 months ago. And because YouTube is a search engine and it also is just finding videos that people are interested in watching because of their own, previous watch history and their own user preferences or whatever, like your content will get views in perpetuity. And every one of those views is an opportunity for somebody to buy from you. And if they don't buy from you, it still goes towards you getting ad revenue on YouTube. So again, when you combine these three things, you have a really, really nice, robust system. Now, the issue and the problem that a lot of people have is that whether it's YouTube or TikTok, Instagram, whatever it is, that platform is the gatekeeper on access to an audience. So for a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll use that initially, and this is something I do, and then they'll get people to join their email list or newsletter. So for me, I link to the Awesome Squad newsletter in all of my videos more recently because I want to really grow my email list. I did it a while ago and then I stopped and I was focused on other things. And now I really want to get my email list up again because I know that people are worried about things like getting shadow banned or deplatformed or losing their account. Because if you lose your traffic, if you lose the social media account, yes, you lose access to your audience, which means you lose access to your pipeline of customers. And so for passive income, automated income to work, you need a traffic source. You need a way to get eyeballs and then convert those eyeballs into customers that pay cash. One of the things I recommend that people look at, and you just have to check the terms of service with your affiliate marketing, is you could do something where you buy ads and then drive that to the affiliate links, and you could make money that way. A lot of people do it. The way that I prefer to do it is to make a standalone piece of content, something on my website, like a training or a blog post or a masterclass or a free download that people can get. And especially if it goes to my email list, and then I'd rather drive traffic to like the free download or the free resource, get people to sign up their email. Now I have a way to reach them and to know who they are, and then they can buy from there, or I can convert them later in an email sequence. So that's one way to approach it. Another way to approach it is if you are selling your own products, and this is the way I do it. I have a platform that I use for my online coaching, my courses, and my digital download templates. I use Kajabi, right? Kajabi is a little bit more expensive than Sellfy. If you're just gonna make like templates and sound effects and presets, use something like Sellfy. I'll link to both of these in the description down below, and those will be affiliate links. But with Kajabi, I am able to sell my membership, my coaching, my courses, all of it under one umbrella, and I have my own website for that. So what I do is I will buy ads and I will drive people to like the YouTube starter kit, because getting like 100 digital templates for $99 is not something you have to care about who Roberto Blake is in order to buy. And this is the mistake that people make. See, to truly make passive income, to truly be able to build something scalable, I think that you need to think about whether or not people have to know who you are and like you in order to buy from you. I think the value of what you offer has to be so good that they don't have to know you in order to see it and want to buy it. And I think that that is the mistake that a lot of people make. And I don't think most people who talk about, at least the people that I've seen, when they talk about passive income, whether it's selling your own product, whether it's selling courses, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether it's any of it, they don't consider, why would I buy this if I don't know who you are? I think that that value has to be so undeniable, so clear up front that anybody can buy from you in order to have a really scalable passive income automated business. So again, I say that As long as you can build something so valuable that it doesn't have to always be reputation based, then you don't have to completely rely on the pipeline of organic content and organic reach from Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever it is, and you won't be cut off if the algorithm isn't favoring you. I believe that you should consider a combination of using cold traffic and ads to grow your email list, market against the people on that email list, use your organic content to build that email list and do affiliate links and sell your own products. And again, just build this robust system. I also think you should have your own website, your own blog. And I think that's making a comeback because people are realizing they can't trust social media anymore, finally. And they're realizing that you need to own your traffic. If you don't own the traffic, you don't own the business. And so again, if you want to make that passive income, if you want to build that system, I think you need to own as much of the resource as possible, which means your own website and your own email list and your own digital products. I love passive income. I love that we can finally do what corporations do. We can make money in our sleep using automation. And so if you learn to do this, you don't have to worry about the great displacement that's coming from automation. You don't have to worry about the robots taking your jobs because you are now subsidizing and utilizing the robots for your benefit, just like I've been doing. So yeah, I'm sitting here rooting for Skynet and the T800 so that I could make as much money as possible before our robot overlords decide that we're not worth the trouble. So, question of the day for you guys. What other videos about making money and finance do you want me to cover here on the channel? Do you want me to make more videos about passive income? I have a video, 20 ways to make passive income in 2020. It is coming soon, so be excited for that. Make sure you subscribe. But I want to know, what content do you want me to make on the channel? Because I know we talked about passive income without investing. I want to do a whole other video specifically with that title. And I also do want to make videos about how I'm investing and how I make passive income from those investments. There are a lot of apps that I use to actually do my investing. In fact, two really good apps that I recommend are Acorns. If you use my link, we both get $5, so you can check that out. It's free, and it's a really good way to get into using a robo-advisor. If you want to potentially buy individual stocks or you want to do index funds the way that I do, you can use the Robinhood app. If you do and you sign up with my link, we both get a free stock. So that's my referral link there. It costs you $0 and we'll both get a free stock. So you can check that out or not, no pressure. But I really want to know what videos you want me to make in the future around money making topics. So you know what to do. Comment down below. I'll reply to everybody that I can. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the other awesome stuff on the channel. Definitely helps me out. As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. And don't forget, go out there and create something awesome today. Take care.